If you use Zapier to automate your workflows, learning how to use Formatter in Zapier is one of the most useful skills you can pick up. Formatter helps you clean up text, format numbers, work with dates, and transform data before it moves to the next step in your Zap. That means fewer errors, cleaner automations, and much more control over how your data flows from one app to another. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Formatter in Zapier step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to add and configure it confidently in your own Zaps. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical Zapier tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is open the Zap Editor. Start by signing in to your Zapier account, then open the Zap you want to edit. Once you're inside the Zap Editor, you'll be able to add new steps, make changes to existing ones, and insert Formatter wherever you need it in your automation. This is the main workspace where everything happens, so make sure you're inside the correct Zap before continuing. Now that your Zap is open, the next step is to add a Formatter step. To do that, click the plus button to add a new action step. When the app search appears, type Formatter by Zapier. From the list of results, select Formatter by Zapier. This tells Zapier that you want to use one of its built-in transformation tools rather than connecting to a separate app. Formatter is especially useful when the data coming into your Zap needs to be cleaned, split, combined, reformatted, or converted before it can be used properly. Next, you need to choose an action event. Click on Action Event and then select the category that matches what you want to work with. You'll usually see options like text, numbers, or date as time. Each of these is used for a different type of data transformation. If you're working with names, strings, or text cleanup, choose text. If you want to modify values like prices or quantities, choose numbers. And if you need to change dates, convert time formats, or adjust timestamps, choose date time. After selecting the right category, click Continue. Once you've picked the action category, the next step is to choose a transformation. Click on Transform and then select the specific transformation you want to use. For example, you might choose split text if you want to separate one value into multiple parts. You could choose format number if you want to change how a number appears, or you could choose format date if you want to convert a date into a different format. This is where Formatter becomes really powerful because the exact transformation you choose depends on the problem you're trying to solve in your workflow. After that, it's time to configure the transformation. This is where you tell Zapier exactly what data to use and how to process it. Enter the required input data from previous steps in your Zap. Then adjust the transformation settings based on your goal. For example, if you're splitting text, you may need to define the separator. If you're formatting a number, you may want to choose decimal places or currency style. If you're formatting a date, you may need to set the output format or time zone. The more carefully you configure this step, the more reliable your automation will be. Once everything looks correct, click Continue. Now it's time to test your Formatter step. Click Test Step so Zapier can run the transformation using sample data. Review the output carefully to make sure it looks the way you expected. Check that the text is split correctly, the number is formatted properly, or the date appears in the right format. If anything looks off, go back and adjust the transformation settings until the result is right. Testing is an important part of building good automations because it helps you catch problems before your Zap goes live. Once the output looks good, click Continue to move forward. And that's how to use Formatter in Zapier. It may seem like a small step, but Formatter can completely improve the quality of your automations by helping you reshape data exactly how you need it. Whether you're cleaning up text, formatting dates, or organizing numbers, Formatter makes your Zap smarter and more flexible. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Zapier tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.